but where? Dyson? Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mia Danette and y'all already know what it is. As you can see from the title, today's video we're gonna be doing a Sunday reset routine. Full disclosure, this routine actually took me about 2 days to complete because your girl was booked and busy. I was attending baby showers and doing the most, but y'all need to know that. The point being is this: if you like this content, you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys in the comment section below, so let's go ahead and get started. So, as y'all can see, I just finished brushing my teeth, getting a little bit more fresh. I'm gonna change this to something a little bit more comfortable, and then we're gonna start cleaning up this place. Because I tell y'all, my whole apartment is in shambles. Well, okay, not the whole apartment, but you know, majority of the apartment is in shambles. Y'all, we got a lot of cleaning to do, especially that bathroom over there, because I tore it up last night trying to like straighten my hair, which I didn't even do a good job on, which y'all gonna see later. Yeah, let's start by cleaning this bed, then we'll work our way to the bathrooms, and then we can work in there. So let me go change, and yeah, we'll be back. All right guys, so as you can see, I have switched clothes. We got my Converse shirt on and my Lululemon leggings. So we're about to get this house clean. I need to find a ponytail holder because my hair, as y'all can see, is a wild ass mess, and I had straightened it last night, but where?
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake bitch.
Where did I straighten it at? Because, I mean, I straightened it so fast, and I honestly need a new flat iron because it's just not giving anymore. So, with that being said, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and we're gonna clean this place up and we're gonna make it look real nice. So.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just stop thinking about you. Just stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
Y'all, now me think I could join the WNBA because look at that shot. Got you. But anyway, y'all, this Sunday reset is gonna be for entertainment purposes only because honestly I got no tips this week. I am just trying to live my life and the struggle is real. But anyway, y'all can watch this video and go ahead and try and clean up yourself because y'all, I cannot be the only one whose house is looking a mess by the end of the week. So if you haven't already, go ahead and put your cleaning slippers on because we about to clean up the house together.
You always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. Stop.
Okay, y'all, I'm about to expose myself because honestly, I don't be moving this fan every time. And when I tell you it was a mountain of dust behind it, baby, this is your sign. If you're cleaning with me and you have furniture that is heavy or something you don't want to move it. It will be well worth it when you can clean behind there and feel like your at home is actually fresh and ready for the week. Alright guys, so I'm so excited because this year my hubby got me a brand new vacuum. And if you've been on my channel for a while, when I used to do clean with me videos, y'all know I was complaining about my old vacuum because it just wasn't picking up nothing. But now my hubby got me not only a new vacuum, but a top of the line vacuum, which is the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, and I am so excited to use this bad boy. Like, I have been using it. As y'all can see, this chamber is filthy, okay? Because I've been using this mug, and when I tell y'all, oh, sorry, this thing has been in the way. Okay, when I tell you guys, this thing picks up all the dirt. It really does. Like, Dyson, they really be onto something with these vacuums, because I feel like it's 100% worth it. Even though this thing was expensive, it's 100% worth it. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go vacuum up this room now that I wiped down everything, and then we're gonna move on to do some laundry, because I definitely want my sheets to be put back on the bed tonight. So yeah, they gotta be clean. So first, let me change the attachment head on here, because this is actually for hardwood and not carpet. So let's change this, and then we'll vacuum up. Okay, y'all, so I lied. I reorganized my closet off camera, and I didn't reorganize it well. We're not even gonna talk about that section over there, which I didn't do that good of a job with organizing. But y'all, this is good enough, okay? I picked up all my husband's shoes, put it back, and yeah, kind of like cleared this section off. It probably doesn't look like it, but you know, this is way better than what it was looking like. Let me tell you, it's way better. So next thing I need to do is take this pile of clothes. This is stuff that my husband is going to bring to the, not laundry department, dry cleaner, to the dry cleaner. And so I need to put this into a bag. And then we are going to go ahead into the next room to clean, which this time, hopefully, I will actually film it. So let's go. guys, so we are done with pretty much cleaning the bedroom. I just waiting for the sheets to get cleaned. Now we're working on this bathroom here. As y'all saw, I took pretty much everything out of it, and yeah, now, oh, and I washed the toilet too. But now we about to marinate the shower, which I already started. I put down some baking soda on the floor because I'm about to douse it with some vinegar, and I'm hoping that that is gonna like work together in harmony to clean this bathroom tub up, because it is a filthy mess. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I got my vinegar here, and then for the shower doors and walls, I have this little concoction. This is not mean green, okay? It's not. I have this little concoction that I saw on TikTok. Okay, so TikTok made me do it. Of vinegar, Dawn dish soap, as well as water, all in equal parts. So I sprayed the shower doors with that. Now you're about to see the magic happen. I'm about to put this bad boy on top of the baking soda. So let's go. Y'all, so while we waiting for the shower to marinate and all that baking soda and vinegar concoction, we're gonna clean up the mirrors, the sink, finish cleaning up the toilet, and maybe I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna clean up this area right here while the shower is getting clean, because we ain't got time today to be waiting and watching TV and doing the things I normally do. So literally the last of my Fabuloso. I really use this a lot. Yeah, let's clean this. My darling daughter did her artwork on my door, so I had to wipe that off. But there it is. Let's clean it off with that Fabuloso. See what it do. Alright, the pen marks are gone. Hey y'all, I'm gonna take this very awkward moment when it's too soon for me to put up music, because you know I just had music up to talk about the word discipline. That's right, discipline. Like the discipline I lacked when it comes to editing this video that was supposed to go up on Sunday, but here we are on Monday, and yeah, y'all get what I'm saying here. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say real quick with the word discipline, what does it mean to you? Because these Sunday reset routines for me is about discipline. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses because everybody's doing Sunday reset routines right now. No, it's about creating a habit to change my life for the better so that I can have a great week ahead. So I want you in the comment section down below to tell me, what habit are you trying to discipline yourself to create in order to make your life easier? I really want to know, so let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, y'all, let's get back into the music. Y'all, at this time, I want to say shout out to my girl Sarah over on her channel, Life with Sarah. She's a mommy of 3, and she's also a very big supporter of my channel, so go and check her out. But the reason why I mention her right now is because the other day she was cleaning her shower and she was using a scrub daddy. And I feel like I need that because look at me, I'm literally struggling with this thing I'm using. And welcome to day 2 of my reset. Yesterday we finished the bedroom. I finished washing the sheets. I put it back on. Didn't take a video of when it was finished though, so y'all gonna see that this morning when I put the sheets back on. And we also finished cleaning up the bathroom and putting everything back in there, which you guys should be seeing on the screen now. Today we will be tackling the second bathroom. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you.
Add a little ring to it, turn a thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really in the feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and we race soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, was lost here. All that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be...
If y'all thought I was lying when I said I literally destroyed this bathroom yesterday, look at how much hair was in the shower, okay? Like, seriously, sometimes having long hair is a blessing and a curse. And if you agree with me, go ahead and sound off in the comment section.
Papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Put it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Put it down for me, put it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, put it down for me. Say hold it all the way down. Put it down for me. Say it down for me. Okay. I really got like it's 10 of me. Saw a trip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated. I've been had that patience.
All right, my loves, you made it all the way to the end of today's video. If you made it to the end, let me know it's you by dropping a broom emoji down in the comment section. It will really be appreciated. And in my next Sunday reset video, I'll be sure to shout you out for being a real supporter. With that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to